In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Pandadoc for proposal. Start in Pandadoc and look for the plus Create button. Click it, then choose Templates. Templates are the fastest way to build a polished proposal because they already include a clean layout, common proposal sections, and professional formatting. This saves time and helps you stay consistent across clients. Next, use the search bar to look up the word proposal. You will see several pre-made designs. Choose one that matches the style you want, then open it. Once the template loads, take a moment to scan the page so you understand what sections are included and where your key details will go. Now move to the Variables tab on the right side. Variables let Pandadoc automatically fill in repeated information, such as the client name and the company name, across the entire document. This is important because it reduces manual edits and helps avoid small mistakes like misspellings or inconsistent naming. Select the fields for the client name and company, and enter the correct information so it populates everywhere it appears in the proposal. After that, you will add pricing. Find the pricing table block and drag it into the proposal where your pricing section should be. In the pricing table, list your services and the associated costs. Keep names clear and consistent, and make sure the pricing matches what you intend to offer. This section is usually the most reviewed part of a proposal, so accuracy and clarity matter. When the content looks ready, click Add Recipients. Enter the prospect details so Pandadoc knows who needs to receive and sign the document. Double-check that the recipient information is correct, because this controls delivery and signature routing. Next, scroll to the bottom of the proposal and drag a signature field into place. This creates the space for the recipient to sign electronically. Position it neatly, typically near the acceptance or approval section, so it is easy to find. Finally, click Send and choose Send via email. Review your message quickly to ensure it is professional and clear. Then send the proposal. Once it is sent, Pandadoc will track engagement so you can see when it is opened and viewed. That covers everything you need to know.